is up, you guys? Okay, so I decided to do a last minute little fun get together with my friends, and you guys are gonna help me plan it, and I'm super, super pumped. We are going to combine a last minute baby shower for baby girl. Hopefully I don't go into labor while I'm filming this and the party gets canceled tonight because it was such a last minute thing. So we're gonna be doing a last minute baby shower for baby girl combined with a little birthday party, since I am turning 26 very soon, but it's literally right around her due date. So I feel like my birthday, we might end up sharing a birthday, or like I'm not gonna be able to really do anything because I'll be like fresh out the hospital, or like, you know, I don't really know what the vibes are gonna be, but I just kind of have this feeling that like we're gonna be stuck at home for my birthday. So I thought it'd be fun to celebrate a little party before with my friends, and that's what we're gonna do today. So I actually already ordered everything for the party. I ordered everything from Zazzle. If you guys don't know what Zazzle is, it's basically my one-stop shop to every party planning, whether it was like a wedding, whether it's an engagement party, a birthday party, a baby shower. So that's what I'm doing. I ordered so many things because it's so cool, because you can make it so custom on the site. It's basically like taking that party to the next level, and that's what we're doing. And it just makes it more special, you know, because it's like you can add your own personal touch to your party planning, and I'm super excited to show you guys everything that I created. This video is sponsored by Zazzle. I love them. I've used them for so long, and for all like my parties that I've ever thrown, it's just nice to basically make things like custom and personalized. Okay, so for this one, these custom plates I made, they actually had this template already on their site, and I thought it was so cute. It's like Western themed. You know, since I live in Arizona, and this is Katie's 26th birthday. It is so cute. And it was nice because it literally took me like 2 minutes to make these plates, and they look so custom and so cute. All right, you guys, now I have to set up for the party. So we got to put some placemats down and then our custom plates. All right, you guys, we just gotta finish setting up the table. And the reason I really wanted to do this is because I feel like I didn't get to celebrate with my Arizona friends, and we cannot miss out celebrating on my birthday. I'm not normally like a huge like, oh my God, it's my birthday. But you know what? It is good to celebrate life, and I can't believe I've already lived on this earth for 26 years, and now I'm gonna be a mom. So that's crazy. We have a lot to celebrate. My birthday, baby girl coming. What if she comes during the party? Need a cute little centerpiece. Okay, you guys, so this is our setup so far. Okay, and then the next thing I got off Zazzle, I'm so excited for, are these custom cookies. They look like this. So they're pictures from Josh's and I's like not engagement shoot, are what's called maternity pictures. So I thought that'd be really cute to add to each plate. And I thought these like turned out so good. Like I'm obsessed with them. And the best part is I already ate one and they're so good. Like they taste amazing and they look so cute. So it's like, it's so personalized, it's so cute. Put it on the plate, you know, just a little treat for someone. Another taste test. These are some of my favorite cookies. Okay, so I might have ordered an extra, like more than I need, but that's okay because we always want leftover cookies. Okay, you guys, the table is getting really cute quick. Okay, also I wanted to show you guys, I basically made like digital evites to send all my friends, but I actually printed one to show you guys like what it looked like. And this is just a mock-up because I didn't want to put my address and stuff on it and give you guys all the details. But basically I wanted it to match the baby's nursery, and like you guys kind of already know the vibes of the nursery. This blush pink, like boho-y vibe. So that's what I did with the invite. Okay, so this is what the back of it looks like. You know, it's got like the boho, like the little florals and everything, which I thought was so cute. I was like, wait, this like totally goes with her nursery. And this is a template that I actually picked out on the website. I didn't really have to change it too much other than like the words that I was using. And I did change this up a little bit from what I actually sent to my friends, so you guys can see like the address. But it says, hello baby, please join us for a baby shower honoring Katie and Josh. This is like what just a baby shower invite would look like. But the one I sent my friends basically says like, hello baby, please join us for a baby shower honoring Katie and celebrating her 26th birthday. So that's what I did, and I just thought the fact that it goes with like the Western theme, the boho Western vibes, I thought it would be really fun. But I did digital like evites, so you can do evites on there or like printed ones, but I just want to show you guys the printed one. But the evites are really, really easy too. Guys, baby girl, she's getting big. Like this might be my last video pregnant. Every time I film a video for this channel, I'm like, this could be it, you guys. Like this is it. Anyway, my birthday party, the other part of the party, I want to show you guys what I'm doing. I basically made these custom balloons that say happy 26th birthday Katie, which I haven't seen like a custom balloon. So this is so sick. Like the fact that it literally says happy birthday. So I got 2 of those. of these sizes. So I'm gonna add some air to those, and then go big or go home. So this is the same one. It says happy 26th birthday. I just picked out the colors, and you can even add like pictures if you want to the balloons, which I thought was really cool. I feel like now when our baby girl turns 1, I'm like so pumped because I'm gonna go all in with like the decorating of it and like customizing it through like pictures of like throughout her life. I think it would be really special. I just feel like it makes parties like more, I don't know, like that like unique touch to it. The balloons. You guys, this is so cute. So this one I put with air, and then I'm gonna do air in the other one. And then this one you can take to a store and add helium so it'll like float. Adding a little bit of ribbon that I have to the bottom of it, you know, just to spice it up a little. Okay, hopefully this works. My mom taught me how to do it when I was little, but I used to do it and sometimes it doesn't work. Oh, it worked. Look how to get it like all like squiggly. Okay, wait. See, I didn't do that one right. I did half of it. Okay, there we go. Okay, you guys, I think I want to place this like right here. Ooh, she's cute. Okay, I'm gonna put one here and then maybe one like right there or over there. Okay, so I feel like the table has a lot to do with my birthday so far. I mean, the cookies are kind of more about the baby, but then since it's a combined party, I also made some what's called napkins, and it says hello baby. They literally look just like my invite, so that's why I thought it was so cute. It says hello baby, Katie's baby shower. So we're gonna place these with our plates. Okay, this is what it looks like. I am obsessed. I love it. The table looks so cute, so fun. And there's some more plates, more cookies, more napkins here. But you guys, what is a party without a welcome sign? But don't you worry, I thought of everything. Literally, Zazzle has like anything you could think of for a party, any type of event, they have it all. So this one says, welcome to Katie's 26th birthday, September 10th. Thank you for coming. I just put my birthday on it. We're gonna get this hung. And then we are almost ready. Okay guys, wait till you see this welcome sign. I want to do something a little bit less like traditional. I thought it'd be really fun to like tape it up to this mirror, and then I put a little pompous there to fit the vibes. That way when we're all taking like mirror selfies, you know, it gets that in the shot, and then we got room for a little pic. I thought that was really cute, and then I added a little pompous. Also, you guys, I'm low-key in a food coma right now because I've ate so many of these cookies because they're so freaking fire. But I'm really happy with how the setup looks. I'm trying to think of all the other stuff that I need to get ready because the party planning, you know, they made it pretty easy for me. Nothing like a little last-minute party thrown together. I mean, literally, I'm 38 weeks pregnant, and the fact that I'm throwing a baby shower this last minute is crazy. I just thought it would be so fun because like they make it so easy, and why not celebrate? It's really like, I feel like my birthday, we're gonna miss out on my birthday, so I don't wanna miss out on it. So we're gonna take advantage before and just have a little girl's day. So 26 years of life. This is the year I become a mom. I'm very excited for this year. I feel like so much excitement is coming in this year, and it's just crazy because I still feel like I'm like 17 years old or 18 years old. I don't really feel any different other than when I hang around like 18-year-olds. I'm like, okay, wait, I'm definitely older than them, but like I don't feel old. But then I'm also thinking, I'm like, I feel like I'm gonna be that type of person that's like 40 and think I'm like 18 still in my head. Also, you guys, exciting news, because if you guys have been watching my videos on this channel, because I feel like I've been uploading a lot, you guys know that I was worried because I didn't have a bassinet that was here yet. And guys, baby girl could be here any day, but the bassinet just came in the mail. So I'm gonna set that up because that was our last step in everything with the nursery and baby girl. Also, I got this really cute bassinet I wanna show you guys. Looks like this. Super cute. This one's kind of more so for the living room, and then you could like take this places. Like, I think it's better if like you were at the beach or something, but like you could take it to the park. It's just super cute. So I'm very excited about that. But that's not like her bassinet she's gonna be sleeping in at night. I'm almost ready for the party, except for I have to clean up my couch because it just got like professionally cleaned. So now I gotta put this back together because you can't have a party with a couch looking like this. Josh is making fun of me because no one's here, but the party hasn't started. He goes, why is this so sad? He's like, no one's here. Because the party hasn't started and Joshy B is getting kicked out. You're gone. You're gone.
I'm out.
He's not allowed. But though, you do have to, what are you gonna do for my birthday? Are you gonna do anything special? Have you even thought of my birthday, or has it been like, cause that's the thing I feel
Focus
like
on baby girl, you know.
Exactly, like I
Both
haven't thought
my
of it.
baby girls.
What if we share the same birthday? Is that gonna be a lot of work for you? Like,
That'll be easier.
will it? Well, yeah, you could get both of us like done, like, you know, both gifts. But
And I'll
then we
never
can
forget
celebrate.
it.
But I mean, if you do, then that makes you a bad dad and a bad husband.
Yeah,
so
that would be
you
a
can't
nightmare,
forget it.
so, anyway.
He's like, let's hope our baby girl's born on your birthday, so then I only have to remember one day instead of 2.
There we go.
Guys, people will show. I hope. Will you come? I'll have to re-invite you.
I'll come to your birthday party.
Oh, that's good. Guys, that pretty much wraps up all of our party planning and decorating. I'm super excited. It'll be a lot of fun. But I did want to say, if you guys do have any parties or events coming up, definitely make sure you guys check out Zazzle, because they make it so easy and so fun. If you guys have like a baby shower, a wedding, what's called a bridal shower, a birthday party, check them out. It literally is so fun to get to custom everything, and it's super easy. Even if like you're not into like graphic design or anything, like you don't have to be a graphic designer to be able to use it. Literally, it's so easy to use, and it just makes it look like, I don't know, takes your party to that next level. So if you guys want to check them out, I'll leave a link down below. And I love you guys. Hopefully this is my last video before baby girl comes, because I do want to go into labor, but I don't know. Maybe we'll make like a 40 weeks pregnant day in the life. I honestly hope not. I don't want to go that long, but we'll see. But anyway, I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.